Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create web services in .NET, and also I will be showing you how you can consume it in .NET. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, I'm starting my Visual Studio. I have 2019. You can work on any version. And guys, here I'm clicking on create new project, and now here I will be searching for web application. So in search box simply type web, and guys, you can see here it's showing me the option, web option, that is using language VB and using language C#. So I will be taking ASP.NET web application, .NET framework and C# language. And now guys, here you need to provide your application name, that is your project name, the location where you want to save. So here I will be creating web services related to even odd. So I will be entering some number. It will check whether the number is even or odd. So now here just provide your application name. So I'm giving name as even odd demo. Okay, and this is my directory where my web services will be stored or web application will be stored. I need to simply click on this create button. Now guys, here I'm going to select empty option and I will be clicking on this create button. Okay, so done guys, and you can see guys, it has created the project, and at right side you can see my solution explorer, and in that we have even odd demo, and inside that we have different files available. So now we will be adding web services. So for web services you need to just right click on your application name and you need to select this option add, and here you need to select option new item. Okay, so here you can add the items whatever you want. I'm going to add a web services. So in search you can simply type web, and guys, here you can see all the things related to web. Just scroll down, here you will find web services ASMX. Just select that, and here it's a name of web service. By default it is web service 1. Whatever name you want to provide, you can provide. I'm giving just name as even odd WS. That is my web service name. So my project name is even odd demo and my web service name is even odd WS. So just click on this add button guys, and here guys you can see my ASMX file has been added. So in .NET the extension of web service is .asmx, right? And you can see few code has been generated here, few of the packages or namespaces has been imported, and then it's showing me my namespace, that is even odd demo, that is your project name. Guys, it's showing me class even odd WS, and here we have a web method, and inside this web method we have a default method known as hello world. So first of all we will test this method and then we will create our own method. So simply let's run this guys. So just click on this play button. So it will open my web services on my browser. So here it has asked me something, so I just click on yes button, and now guys my browser has been started, and here you can see my even odd WS, and guys you can see hello world it's showing, that is the web method name it's showing, and there is a description WSDL file. You just copy this file link service description by clicking on service description, because we require this for creating client. Now we will click on this hello world, and you can see and then again click on this invoke button, and you can see hello world, your output, whatever was the code that it was returning hello world. So we got the output of predefined method. Now I want to create my own method. So you can copy paste this and you can make the changes whatever you want, or I'm doing on this method only. So now I'm just changing method from hello world to what even odd, and return type I'm keeping as string only, and then in parameter I'm going to pass an integer parameter for checking whether the number is integer or not, right? And now inside this body we will be writing logic for even odd. So if n%2 equal to 0, that means it is even, so I'm just returning n is even, else I'm returning n is odd. So simple logic for even odd I have written. Done. Okay, so code is done, web services is done. we will test this web service. So again just click on this play button guys, and then now you can see instead of hello world I'm getting what, even odd, right? So now let me click on this even odd, and here I need to enter some number, and then I need to click on this invoke button. So you can see I'm getting my output, right? So web service creation is done. Now we will be creating client. So for creating client, again I'm creating client in .NET. You can create client in other language also. So for example in Java, in Python you can create client also. So what I will do, I will quickly open one more Visual Studio. So here my Visual Studio has been started. Remember guys, your web service should run, then only client can consume. So do not stop running your web services, let it run in background, and start another this Visual Studio, and there you can create a new project. So go to this Visual Studio and select the option as create project. Now here I'm going to select console application. You can again select web application or Windows application also. I'm simply testing it using console application. So here just search for console. So done guys, here I'm getting console application and I'm taking language as C#. Okay, so this is done. My application is created. Now I have given name of my application as even odd. This is my even odd client application. So here in Solution Explorer, now I will be right clicking, and here I will be selecting option add, and then here I'm going to select option add references. So references means whatever WHDL file path we have copied, that path we have to provide over here. So inside this web references, let's quickly paste the path which we had, and now guys click on this go button, and you can see it's showing me one reference found, and below it's giving name to service reference. So by default it is service reference 1. If you wish to change, you can change it. So I'm keeping the default one, and then I'm clicking on add button guys. Okay, so you can see as soon as I click on OK button, now my references has been added. Here you can see service reference 1. So this reference is containing your even odd web services. So first of all we will be importing this reference. So for importing you need to write using and then your client application name, that is even odd, and dot service reference 1. So as soon as you import, now you can use all the methods which were there in web services. So for using that method we have to create object of web service class. So here my web service name is what, even odd WS. Okay, and my web service project name was even odd demo, but web service class name is even odd WS. So here I will be creating object of even odd WS. So I'm writing even odd WS and then SOAP client. This way you have to create object of your web service in .NET. Then you can provide any name, WS equal to new, again even odd WS SOAP client, parenthesis and semicolon. Now using this object you can access all the methods of your web services. So guys, first of all I will be taking a parameter for even odd number. So here I'm just writing console.writeLine, enter any number, and then guys I'm using console.readLine and I'm converting that number into integer. So I have written int.parse and I'm storing that in a variable n. So that's done guys, and now what I will do, I will again use console.writeLine and then I'm writing ws dot, and guys you can see it's showing me my method name. So I'm going to just select my method even odd, and then here I will be passing my parameter, that is n. Okay, so whatever number you will pass, it will return appropriate output for that number. And lastly student, you have to write one line console.readLine so that it waits for a user to enter any key so that it exits. So this is done guys. Now let's run it. So here Guys, you can see it's asking me enter any number, and here I have provided my number and it's showing me my expected output. Right guys, so this way guys you can create web services in .NET and you can consume it in .NET. Now if you want to create in other language, you have already copied WSDL path. Just follow the technique of other language and you can consume it. So guys, I hope by following my video you are also able to create and consume web services in .NET. So guys, if you really like my video, do hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query guys, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. Guys, I'm sharing lots of PDF notes freely on my Telegram channel. I have given link of all my social media in my description box. You can follow me there. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. If really my content is helping you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that guys, keep watching and thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care.